Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log into Snapchat. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So first of all, launch Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now once you are here, you can see various options on your screen. If you wish to, you can also tap on continue with Google if you had created your Snapchat account using Google ID. If you don't have a Snapchat account yet, you can tap on the option of sign up. But for now, I'm just going to tap on the option of login. Now once you are here, you have to start by entering your credentials, that is your username or your email address. So I'm just going to enter my username here. Now, after you have entered your username, simply enter your password. After you have entered your password, you can also make a selection on the box below that says Save Login Info on your device. So this step is optional. You can also remove the check mark if you don't wish to save the info on your device. Now simply tap on Login at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see that I'm successfully logged in to my Snapchat account. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to log into your Snapchat ID. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.